Hi, I'm Larry with the Inside Tract. Today I want to talk to you about our new Tract and Model Search feature. Okay, it's not exactly new, but it's so different it seems brand new. We have rebuilt our application from the ground up. The first thing we wanted to do is design it to work as well on a cell phone as it does on a tablet or on a computer. In fact, the size of your display doesn't matter. Our new application will scale to fit any size screen. Let me show you how it works. From our home page, click on the Orange County button. This is our splash page. Most websites use their splash page to tell you how wonderful they are. We decided to do something different. This is today's feature tract. It's called Primrose at Loma Vista. It's a relatively new townhome project in Yorba Linda. Here's a photo, and here's a brief summary. We'll try to feature a different tract every day, and we shouldn't have any trouble. We have over 4,600 tracts in Orange County alone. I'll click on the Begin My Search and get started. As you can see, there are many options for finding a tract. For now, I'll just enter Canyon Point for street name and click Go. This brings up the street results page. This grid shows a list of tracts that have a street named Canyon Point. In this case, only one tract was found, the Canyon View West tract. That's the one I want, so I'll click on the tract name. This is the tract report for Canyon View West. The top row buttons allow you to search again, return to the Inside Tract homepage, order a full report, or, if you're a subscriber, log in to the members page. This is the name of the tract. And this is the Builder Tract Code. You can learn more about Builder Tract Codes by clicking on the link on our homepage. And this box contains the name of a real estate agent who specializes in this tract. The left box contains information about Canyon View West. Here we can see it's a condominium project built by the group company and that it has 84 attached units. Below is information about the tract's location and its models. Another new feature is a Google map. Here you can see the location of Canyon View. This is our little marker that shows you the approximate center of the tract. We've also included some map controls. Here you can switch between map or satellite view. You can zoom out to full screen if you like. You can drag the little man down to get a street view. And you can zoom in or out. The right box will show you a list of other agents who specialize in this tract. We don't favor any one agent. This list rotates on a daily basis. This is a great new feature, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit our website at insidetract.net.